Hey guys, this is Miss Loftus. We are going to start looking at word problems this week, and this paper should be in your packet. It has 2 word problems on it, and what we have to do is really read each question and see what it's asking us. We want to know, maybe we're going to find the missing total, or we might have the total in our problem and we might be looking for a missing partner or a missing addend. I want you to be thinking about the equalizer. Remember that big anchor chart that we had in our classroom? I know we had it. And it had the big superhero with the muscles, and his muscles have to equal. So we might be looking for a missing number here, or we might be looking for the missing number here. All right, so let's talk ourselves through this problem. Joe was making a poster for his community. He drew 2 schools and 7 parks. How many places did he draw? So first, let's think. Is this asking us for the total? Are we going to add them both together? Is it asking us to subtract and find the difference? This is where a lot of first graders get stuck because these are tricky. After doing these so much in class, you guys know all the different ways to solve this problem. You can do a number bond, you can do a circle drawing, you could do the equation, you could do about anything to solve this. But let's look. Joe is making a poster of his community, so he's drawing it out. So I think we should draw this out. He drew 2 schools. Don't laugh at my drawings, boys and girls. And then he drew 7 parks. So here's my schools. Here are my parks. How many places did he draw? So this seems like it is asking for the total. So where does the total go? Is it here, here, or here? We know that the total is here. It's by itself. It's not one of the partners. So what we're going to do is say 2 plus the 7. And what we can do is count them all together, or if you guys know 7 plus 2, you write the answer. So I'm going to make it an equation. 2 schools plus the 7 parks equal, and we always draw a box for our missing number that we're finding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another way you could do this is put 7 in your brain. 7, 8, 9. So we know that Joe drew 7 parks, 2 schools, 9 total. So 9 buildings or objects of his community that he drew on his poster. Please make sure you put a box around your missing number. All right, so with this problem, we found the missing total. Let's see about the bottom problem and see what we're doing here. All right, first we read it, and then we really think about it. We give our brain time to think. Tom had 6 spinners. After his birthday party, he had 10. How many spinners did he receive for his birthday? Okay, Give your brain time to think about what it's asking. I know a lot of my friends are wanting to just say 6 plus 10 equals 16, done. I don't know. Let's think about it. Let's break it apart. Tom had 6 spinners. After his birthday party, he had 10. So he had 6. He had a birthday party. He got some more, and now he's got 10 total. How many spinners did he receive for his birthday? So how many did he get as a present for his birthday? So let's break this down. Let's do number bond. And what a number bond is two parts or two partners are going to equal the whole or the total. So here's one partner, here's another partner, and this is going to be my total. Let's see. He had 6. After his party, he had 10. So this makes me think this is our total. He got some more, we don't know how many, and then he had 10 total. How many did he get at his party? So if we were going to look at it like this, he has 10 total now. So 10 is going to be in our top circle of our number bond. How many did he have first? 6. So it's going to go in one of these. And now, tricky. How do we find a missing number that's inside the equation? How do we find it? We need to know what partner goes with 6 to equal 10. What's the missing number? You guys can grab 6 and count up until you get to 10 and see what you get. You guys could kind of turn it into a subtraction. He's got 10 total. We know that he had 6 before the party, so this will tell us how many he got at the party. I'm going to give your brain a minute to think about this. He had 6 before the party. He got some more. He don't know how many he got, but he does know that he has 10 spinners now. He has a collection. So what can we do? We've got so many boxes, so many ways to solve it. You guys pick which way you want to solve it. I'm going to show all of them just so we see different ways. So for this one, I'm going to put 6 in my brain, and I'm going to count up until I get to 10. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many fingers do I have up? 4. Now, let's check our answer. 6 and 4, they are partners that equal 10. Okay. For this one, I can do the same thing. Put 6 in my brain and count up to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For this one, I'm going to take away. I could draw circles if you need to. And I'm going to take 6 of those away. So he's got 10 spinners total. He had 6 of them before the party. So we're going to cross off 6 because he already had those. This is how many he got at the party. His friends must have really known that he really liked spinners. So we have the same answer in 3 different places. Now remember, we have to show 2 different ways to get the answer. That's just the North Carolina rules. We got to show 2 different ways. So in this one, we did a drawing and we did the equation. And in this one, we did the number bond and we did the equation. So that's 2 different ways that we have shown how to answer this problem. We are going to keep practicing these, and I will talk to you guys shortly with another word problem.